Okay, if you remember 11A, we had a tuition cost and we had a fixed rate of increase on that tuition yearly. This time with 11B, all we're doing is we're allowing the user to decide what that rate of increase is. So the only thing you'll really notice that should be different is right here where we've got this output asking them to say what the rate of increase is and the input there. And that should be really the only thing that's added on to this problem from 11A. But if we look at the flow chart here, we've got tuition, starts at 20,000. Make sure you change that because the book is a different number. And then we've got our variable for increase. It's where we decide now what the rate of increase is. And I, right here, a variable called I that we're going to use so we can go through the years in our for loop. So everything's pretty much the same. Just ask for that rate of increase. We output those headers, and we've got this for loop. We start at year 1, and go to year 12. And the book might have a different number for 12 as well. So of course, I believe they want you to add on that first rate of increase right before the first year even displays its information. So that's what we have there, and then we output that information, and then we keep going through until we reach year 12. So you can see how the pseudocode basically lines up with that. And now we've got the code up here, and a couple of things to note, just to make things look nice, organized. We've got the set fill, and this is apostrophe space apostrophe, and those are inside of parentheses. And the set width to 11. This is just going to give a nice space between year and tuition, these two headers. And when you have this I here, this is going to be the number of the year, so it's going to be like 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. It'll be any one of those. And we've got this space here and set width to 7, so that's going to spread the number of the year and the tuition cost apart. So they fall nicely, the years will fall nicely below this header in a column, and so will this. That'll fall, all those tuition costs will fall nicely in a column below the tuition header. And then we've just got set precision to 2 and fixed for 2 decimal places. And also, we've got a preceding 0 here. So set fill to 0 and set width to 2, basically saying that when you have single digits going down the column there, and then you get to go from 9 to 10, it's going to do this weird thing where it pushes the tuition cost, it pushes it over one character space, and it's lopsided. It just doesn't look nice. So we've got this preceding 0, so all of the years will be 2 numbers. So it'll be like 0, 1, 0, 2, and then when it gets to 10, it'll be 1, 0, 11, 1, 1. So it won't push this off center, and make that look bad. Let's go ahead and run it and check it out. Maybe the increase is 3%. And so you can see how tuition cost increases over the years, and you've got that preceding 0, the nice space between everything. So it's not too much of a change from 11A, but hope that helps, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.